Hello everyone, here we are back at Lake Katherine again. I've been revisiting this place a lot. Now here we go. So yeah, anyways, here is the 2021 carrier is actually finally running, which is actually great. And yeah, you can see this 2020. Yeah, it's finally running. It's got an LG scroll compressor. Probably have the same fan speed, just like that 2010 carrier over there. It's actually not running. No, I think they just magically switched from the 2010 carrier to the 2021 carrier. But still has the same fan speed. This one doesn't even shake at all, but when this unit is running, it does shake. It's a 2021. I think that might be a 3-ton or 2.5. That's cold and sweaty. Liquid line subcooling. But yeah, here's this carrier. It's got a Wagner fan motor. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. Blades are really close to the compressor. That's why the hell have it up high, reaching close to the grill. Yep. Both have R410A refrigerant. It is so this carrier is older, from 2010. Manufactured July of 2010. R410A. Both these carriers use R410A. But the 2010 carrier still remains, but the 2021 carrier replaced a Weathermate. So yeah, let me get a good picture of them. So yeah, let's move on to the other 4 units to the Nature Center. This is the wedding building, and that over there is the Nature Center. So let's go to the Nature Center and film the 4 air conditioners. All right, here I am at the carrier in New York units. The carrier's running. I've seen the carrier running a lot. And I actually had a carrier logo on this one as well. Also logo on the top. It's got a G commercial fan motor. This unit's already getting shaky already. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. It's a 2007 3-ton. Cold and sweaty. That's warm. R410A refrigerant. And then there's this York Stellar. This thing never runs. Yeah, here it is. It's got a GE fan motor. It's got a Bristol reciprocating compressor. Probably unknown year. Yeah, this thing never runs. This carrier really does run a lot. But yeah, here anyways, here's a good picture of them. So yeah, to move on to the other 2 units. Alright, now here I am with these 2 carrier units. This one here is a Comfort Series. Also known as a Base Series. It's got an LG scroll and a Broad Ocean fan motor. It's a 2016. That's a 3-ton that has not been running. Here's a carrier Weathermate. This is the remaining carrier right here. 1999, probably a 4-ton. I don't know, but both have not been running. But yeah. Anyways, here's a picture of this. Anyways, thank you for watching. Over and out.